Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add circle effect on image in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor and we are going to make image circle. Now you see image, so click on it and then you see design. So again click on it. Now you see image frame design open. Now scroll down. You see multiple design and then you see circle design. So you can select and then close. Now you see circle effect added and then click on publish. Now you see message, congratulations, your site is published and live online. Now go to website and refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see image in circle layout. So just change design. So in this way you can add circle effect on image. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.